Hello friends, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have both you a special product name, Stori Agency information, product description. Be the first to start a story marketing agency. Help business get more traffic, sales and profits with web series and get paid top dollar for it. Everything you need is done for you, plus unlock 3 pro tools and 7 advanced features to 10x your story result. This is demo video.
We're going to help you find high-paying clients for your new web story marketing agency. Just enter a keyword, check the area and niche you want to target, and boom! You'll have a list of businesses desperately looking for someone to create web stories for them. Send the proposals you're getting with this package and invite them to check out the video and gallery website that we've created for you and close them effortlessly. Not just this, as an agency member, you also get access to features that other story members can't use, like in just one click, you can now share your web stories everywhere and go truly viral. You can rebrand your story dashboard and add your own logo and colors and impress your clients with a complete pro agency look. And wait till you hear this. You can also now add watermarks to your stories, ensure that no one steals your web stories ever. Put your logo on every story you create in just one click. Remember to charge your clients more if they want their own watermark on the stories you create for them. And I've saved the best for last. As an agency member, you also get access to GFY news and blog templates. You can even make your own story templates. And you can get some help from your team members in running your agency by creating unlimited workspaces and adding unlimited team members. We'll also move your account to a dedicated support desk to provide you with the best customer service experience you'd ever enjoy. Along with this, you'll also get access to the Story Community and Mentorship, where we'll literally hold you by the hand and help you start, run, and scale your web story marketing agency. All of this in a completely tailor-made agency business setup made for you would usually be worth over 15 grand, but you don't have to pay such a huge amount. Don't be shocked, but today only we're offering access to Stori Agency at a tiny one-time investment. Yep, you heard that right, but you have to act fast. We can't keep this offer open for long because it actually costs us to give you this astonishing made-for-you agency setup business and access to pro tools and advanced features at such a low one-time price. You'd never be able to find a deal like this anywhere else, so act fast before you miss out on the offer. Get your hands on the Buy Now button quickly to get instant access to the Stori Agency, and you'd not have to dream about getting a 5-figure paycheck monthly anymore. Make the purchase before it's too late. Hopefully you'll have made it in the nick of time.
Limited special lunch offer available only on this page. Click here to start your story marketing agency. See highly engaging web story to silent. Share your web story everywhere. Everything you need to find peace, close, silence is launched. Stori Agency. Unlock everything unlimited. Share your web stories everywhere. Rebrand your story dashboard. and watermark to your stories. Unlock Pro Level Future. Pro Level Future number 1. AI content generate for your story content. Pro Level Future number 2. Text to art per image generate. Pro Level Future number 3. Business Finder. Make your own story templates. Create unlimited workpiece and unlimited team members. Dedicated support. Access to a story community and mentorship. In 2023 and beyond, every business will need web stories. Within seconds, you can create web stories and sell them for top dollar. Stori Agency. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, can you then see the product? Thank you so much.